Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I will show you how to fix the black screen problem on iPhone after the 18.1.1 update. But before that, if you are new to YouTube channel, then subscribe for future videos. Now let's back to the video. I had the same problem when I updated my iPhone and only the wallpaper was showing but not the background of the icon went black. To fix it permanently, first go to settings and go down here and search for display and brightness. Click on this. Now go down here and you will find display zoom. Click on this and just click on lower your text. At right top corner you can see done. Click on done and then click on zoom. Use zoomed and your problem will be fixed. If you do not want this zoom display, just go back to default, click on done and then click on use standard and your problem will not be occur again. I had the same problem and I fixed it and now my iPhone is working fine. So this was the quick video how you can fix that black screen issue of 18.1.1. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.